Hello guys, welcome to Fibonacci Trader YouTube channel and welcome back to my second video about how to create a simple and winning trading system. Okay, if you remember from the first video, actually I have created a system using relative strength index, and today I'm going to show you guys how to further diminish your open drawdown while maintaining your profit and while increasing your profit factor. This is going to be what's it all about for today's video. Okay, so in order to not take much of your time, I've created a second system over here, S&P 500 60-minute V2 version 2. That was what I created in my first system, that I have used a relative strength index which evaluates the closing price changes for the last 9 periods of time, and I allowed the system to go short above 65 levels and to go long below 35 levels. Today I'm going to add still a relative strength index to my trading screen, to my trading and system screen. And what I'm planning to do, actually I'm going to evaluate the strength of my strength index today. So actually when you push here, you can choose open high, low, close volume, tick volume, and you're gonna choose the relative strength index. So basically this is going to be an indicator of an indicator. This indicator is going to be a derivative of the first one. So we would like to analyze right now the strength of our indicator. So what I want to do, I want to allow short trades above 75 reading of this derivative indicator, and I want to allow long trades below 25 levels. So basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this as a trend indicator to allow which trades to be taken on behalf the first indicator. So the first indicator is going to be my arrow, and the second indicator is going to be my bow. So the arrow could be only released when it's allowed on behalf of the bow. So when I want to click off on the option screen, so you're going to see over there that the profit protection levels are the same. We are always closing at the bar close. Stop levels are the same, 1% at the bar close. Trading is the same. We want to trade at bar closes. So what I'm doing right now, I want to check the performance results of the second system. So I'm going to come down here till yesterday, and I'm seeing that this system has generated 1,164 points for the last 11 months, as you can see over here, till yesterday. And what was the total accumulated profit of the first system? That was 1,324. So this system seems to underperform the first one by 106 points, but still I want to see if it has some more advantageous performance metrics over the first one. So I'm clicking the details of my performance report over here. So I'm seeing over here that the profit factor of this system is 2.5. Was the profit factor of the first system, that was 1.8. So as I'm going to show you over here. So as you see, this is 1.8. So what is a profit factor? The profit factor is basically your gross profit over your gross loss, and it shows how well accelerates your P&L chart. This is actually the performance of 1.8 acceleration over 1 unit risk taken. As long as this performance metrics go higher and higher, your P&L chart is going to be steeper. And so this is a performance metric that has always been observed by professional investors. And still, just to remember, this first system has taken 155 trades with a profitability of 64%, with an average win to lose ratio of 1 around, with a total consecutive drawdown 150 points, 5 consecutive losing trades, 8 consecutive winners with 237 points. So that was the summary of my first system. So when I come back here to my second system, alright, as I've shown you that I have reached a better profit factor with my second system. So if you remember that the percent profitable of trades in my first system was 64, over here it has increased to 71, which is always important for me. So over here I'm seeing that I have taken only 90 trades instead of 155 trades. So I eliminated 65 trades from my trading table, and I paid less commissions first of all, and I decreased the amount and the time that I am exposed and I am vulnerable to markets. So I always prefer systems that trade less with achieving always approximately same amount of profit. So far so good, I would say. So I'm here rechecking that my average win to lose ratio is still around 1. That's not bad. And I'm seeing that I increased my consecutive winning trades to 11 instead of 8, and I increased my consecutive profit to 432 points instead of 237, if you remember. And here I decreased my consecutive losing trades to 3 instead of 5, and to 90 points my consecutive drawdown instead of 150 points drawdown. Basically what I'm going to do, and just to come back to my first system. So in my previous video actually I elaborated that here you had a losing plateau of 210 points approximately, which shows your open drawdown while trading this system, and it has lasted from your 30th trade approximately to your 70th trade before you reach your high watermark level. So you suffer with 40 trades and you lost 210 points, which is approximately 7% of your initial capital for a notional value of each S&P 500 contract. And you achieved 1,324 points, so approximately with a MAR ratio of 6. So I'm closing this chart again. I'm finally coming back to my second system P&L chart. Over here, as you can see that Without losing plateau of our previous chart, we have decreased the amount of our losing points from 210 to 90 points, or roughly 100 points of our open drawdown, and we have decreased our suffering period from our 17 trades to 30 trades before which we reached our high watermark level. Same thing over here. As you can see that the total accumulated profit is decreasing from 680 levels to 580 levels, 100 points, and the suffering periods from starting from your 50 trade before you reach your high watermark level around 61 to 63. So, and finally you have made 1164 points by risking 100 points of your capital. So you increase your MAR, your managed account report ratio, to 11. So I believe that right now this system is making a lot much more sense to me, and I would analyze like this. If I were a broker, I would definitely suggest my clients to use the first system. Why? Because I could have generated more commissions out of it, as the clients would trade 155 trades over 11 months. Still the clients would make money, and this is going to be a win-win situation both for the client and for the broker. But if I were a client, I would definitely choose the second system, because I have decreased my trades by 42% in the second system by eliminating 65 trades over versus 155 total. And I increased as well my profit factor. I have decreased my drawdown levels. So this, if I were a trader or a fund manager, I would definitely pick up the second system when it's compared to first system. So in my upcoming video, actually I'm going to show you guys how you can connect this trading system to a live trading account in MT4 and in interactive brokers, and we can see over there how these systems are going to generate automated trading signals over a real or demo trading account. So again, thank you for listening to me. Stay tuned to our channel, and we will come back with more videos in the upcoming days. Bye now.